Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you as much as I know about how to mess with the service interval reset on your ZH Outlander. This generally affects the models from 2010 to 2012 I think it is. It's all the ones with the multifunction display, it's after the facelift. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this is what I mean by the multifunction display. Now you have the info button here on the right. If this is a left-hand drive model, your info button will be over on the left instead. But anyway, I've been messing around with this a little bit at the moment. So to do a simple reset of the service interval, I just have it, well I don't even have the key in ignition at the moment, but if your key's in ignition, make sure it's in the off position. So go to the info button, you can scroll through while it's off like your trip meter, but make sure it's on your service interval screen. You want to press and hold the info until that spanner flashes, and then press once for short, it'll come up with clear, long press, and then that's reset. Now as you can see, this is quite a, well, it's a weird interval, isn't it, by 7,200 kilometers or 41 months. I don't know where that one come up, but there's also, if you just do that once, that's what may happen, but you can do it again, and it's like a second service interval as well. So that's going to 22,200 kilometers and 53 months. You know, that's not really ideal either. If you're running into this problem, there is a sub menu where you can change those intervals. So in order for us to get into the sub menu, back to the info button again, we do a long press until we get the spanner, and then we do 3 long presses, wait for the beep for each press, so 3 of those in a row, and then 3 short presses. So let's get into that now. So spanner, 3 long presses, 1, 2, 3, menu, 3 short. Now this flashes, so we can change it, so it's just a single press for each option. As you see, there's lots of them. I'm not 100% sure on every single one. Probably just do a bit of trial and error, see which one works best for you. As you can see, there's lots and lots of them. Obviously off, you can turn the whole thing off as well. I've found for me personally, the NAS 20 seemed to work. So long press to select it, and that should then go back to 0. So let's reset it. Clear. Let's come up with 14,200 kilometers in a 6-month interval, which is actually not too bad for me. Like I'll do that kilometers before that 6 months is up, so that's perfect for me. Now I haven't owned this car for very long, so this little feature I found was quite cool, you know. I don't mind having the service interval up there. I do keep separate records and all that info is stored electronically anyway, as is just a nice handy little reminder. Also worth noting, I'm not sure whether this would affect any other Mitsubishi models. You know, this car shares a few similarities with the Lancer, so that may have a similar system as well. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more content, particularly on the Outlander, then don't forget to subscribe. If you found this particularly helpful, hey, there's always the super thanks button. I'll be internally grateful if you hit that. Anyway, leave a comment as well. Just a like and a comment, that'd be great. It goes a long way to helping the channel just on its own. So anyway, until next time, I'll see you then.